here I got another Amazon package. I ordered some fans. It's nicely, like, well, it's not in a nice package, but it's doable. I'm sure it's in good condition. So here it is. These are heavier than I thought it would be. So it's the Asus TUF gaming ARGB fan, TF120. It has the 3-pack of fans. I believe it has a controller included, probably. So it's not that old. It was manufactured back in 2022. It's very nice. It's the Aura Sync, Aura or whatever you pronounce it. So I'm definitely getting Asus products. So let's get the fans out of the box. Show you if they're in good condition. That's what I always want to do. I'm not gonna get the GPU until next year. I really want the RTX 4070, so I'm gonna go for that, or the 4070 Ti if I'm lucky. I'm likely getting the 4070 by Asus. I believe this is the RGB controller thing. Be a little extra careful. Don't want to damage anything. And it does come with a controller. I am glad because I paid like $60. Well, I didn't pay $60. I paid less because I got it on a deal. Because early Black Friday deals are here. Here's the connectors. They all came in good condition. I am glad. Plus, I really like this controller. Looks like it's magnetic or adhesive or something. I'll probably have to install it inside. I don't want it outside. I don't think I'm gonna control it too much. It's a really nice control box. Take a look at the fans. I'm gonna order a second one next year, definitely. I'm gonna set my phone camera down. Oh shit. Sorry. So, there's nothing else in the fucking box. It's good. I really like these. I really do. set that aside. So there's nothing else in these boxes here. Little boxes. It's just cardboard. I can guarantee the fan is blowing stuff around. Oh, see. Some more cardboard. Oh yeah, these are screws that would mount the fans. Here are the fans themselves. Here's the manual. Very super duper nice. Very nice. I will only go for a reputable company, and Asus is a good brand. A lot of it comes with a controller. There's some more. So here's what the fans look like. They all came in good condition, free from damage. So yeah, this is it. Camera's out of focus. Thanks for watching.